Today, I'll walk you through how to create better book notes with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up an efficient note-taking system so you can enhance your reading experience and retain more information. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion page. This is your digital workspace where all the magic happens. If you don't see the same layout, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates frequently and the core features remain the same. Next, look for the New button located at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Click on it. This action will allow you to create a new page for your book notes. Once you've clicked New, select Page. This will open a blank canvas where you can start organizing your thoughts. Think of this as a fresh sheet of paper ready for your ideas. Now, let's add some structure. Click on Templates. This option will guide you to pre-designed layouts that can make your note-taking process smoother. Templates are like blueprints for your notes. They provide a framework that you can build upon. After that, click on Templates again, but this time in the Marketplace. Here, you can explore a variety of options tailored for different needs. To find a specific template for book notes, click on the search box and type book note. This search feature is your best friend. It helps you quickly locate the resources you need without scrolling endlessly. Scroll through the templates that appear and click on the one that resonates with you the most. Take your time here. Choosing the right template is crucial for your note-taking success. Once you've found your desired template, click the Add button. This will integrate the template into your workspace, making it easily accessible for your future notes. Now look to the left pane where your new template will appear. Click on it to open it up. This is where you'll start customizing your notes. Finally, modify the template based on your preferences. Tailor it to suit your style of learning and the specific books you're reading. This is your opportunity to make the notes truly yours, just like customizing a recipe to fit your taste. And there you have it. You've successfully created a system for better book notes using Notion. Remember, the more you personalize your notes, the more effective they will be in helping you retain information. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.